Good morning and good evening, guys. So right now I'm in Abu Dhabi. So yesterday I did a night vlog, and today I'm doing a day vlog. So it's 12 p.m. here in Abu Dhabi, and I'm just looking around. So let me show you how Abu Dhabi is looking. Actually, Abu Dhabi is the richest capital city in the UAE, and it is the first capital city of the UAE. So you can see the buildings. They are looking very nice, very clean. Look at the flowers. So right now we are on winter time. You can see how the flowers are blooming. So they are looking nice. So when I compare Abu Dhabi with Dubai, Abu Dhabi is more relaxed, and it is not congested like Dubai, and also the roads are much wider, very wide, you can see. So that is the best part with Abu Dhabi. It's starting to feel hot here, but it is usually better during this time. Winter time, the sun is that much hot. It's much better than summertime. So maybe we are talking now 25 degrees, of which that is fair compared to summertime, where it will double to almost 50 degrees. So I just look at the building which is in front of me. This is Abu Dhabi Oil Field Service. So I think this is the building whereby they run everything oil in the UAE, the yellow building. So looking nice, clean. Yeah. There's some construction going on here. If you look at Abu Dhabi, you realize even Dubai, there's a lot of construction going on. So they are actually building each and every time. I think we need to cross from here. So look at that roundabout, so big, so huge. We need to wait for the traffic light to clear. When it's our turn, it will show green. And Abu Dhabi actually has the best architecture. They have the best building design. They have the best. Here while you're driving, yeah, you need to be driving fast. In the UAE, you are not allowed to drive slowly. even when you are in the driving school, when you are learning to drive a car, you will be taught how to drive fast. So ambia watu hata wenye kwa kamera ambia hi. Utaki kusema hi. So this is my beautiful wife. So we are together right now, just roaming the city. Yeah, so it's time for us to go now. Yeah, there's a guy with a scooter. So look at the flowers, they are blooming, they are looking nice, making UAE look beautiful. Yeah, beautiful flowers. And the buildings also, they are so clean, very clean. I think it's like they do renovation each and every time, because it's very hard to find an old looking building. Most buildings here are looking good. Right now there's less people on the streets. A lot of people are at work, and people are busy. Today is a Sunday, but people also still work here on Sundays. So during the evening time, there are a lot of people here. This is where we are going. So we'll reach the end of our short journey. See you in the next video. We need to do some shopping here.